Welcome back to SITOP Techies. We're here with another unboxing video today of the PSU6200, but in small. So we're going to start as we do usually, or as we always do, with the packaging label, because there is just so much information on this for you to use. We'll begin with just a quick zoom, and I'll show that we can simply see, of course, it's a PSU6200. Important here though is you see immediately as an AC input and a DC input possible. So this product actually works for both applications. Output is a 24 volts, 1.3 amp device. So it is a smaller device. We have a one-phase input and the MSB, of course. A good point is the serial number is printed right on the outside of the box. That allows you to actually connect that with your documentation, so you know exactly which products are built into which applications. On the bottom right, we have the manufacturing date. Then you know exactly when this product from our manufacturing came out. And on the bottom, we have all of our approvals, and we're really proud of them because it really does cover your global applications. We have here UL, CSA, EAC, and so forth. So this is really something that allows you the freedom to release this product, to plan this product in your global applications. But enough from the actual label, let's open this thing up and check it out. So it's really kind of simply packaged, which is great. We have just the product and the operator's manual. Now, I can't understate enough that this this document is super helpful. It has all the information you need to get started. So that means simple safety requirements, installation points, D ratings, all that kind of information is in this document. Also available online. So take the chance to maybe even look at it before you get started so you can get started even faster. Now we take a look at the product itself. Now I said small, but check that out. That is really a compact product for your 1.3 amp applications. Really simply built in the sense, or laid out. We have at the top, we have our 24 volt output, one positive terminal, two negative, which is really great for the SELV and PELV safety units where you have to use a secondary minus pole. We have an OEK LED, and that's really great at showing you immediately how the input voltage is and if that's capable of delivering a 24 volts supply. And then we have a small potentiometer where we can range the output voltage from 22 to 26 volts. Now this is really helpful if you have longer cable lines and you need to compensate that with an increase in voltage. At the bottom, what we see here is the AC input. Now we have, this is a single phase device, so there's 3 terminals, but we see as well as that we have the spring terminals. Now that allows customers to simply mount this device a lot faster, and it's really great against vibration. The last point I want to mention is the QR code in the front, and that is a great little feature that allows us to use our Siemens app to pull up the technical information from this product. So you can immediately call up any kind of data sheets that you might need about this product. So that kind of covers the intro to it. I can only recommend that you take a chance to look at this product online or maybe even order one yourself. And I want to thank you again for taking part in our unboxing, and stay tuned. We're bringing a lot more videos out.